So Texas has so many loops and terms, so much so. This is why it's extremely important to get with a tax pro to prepare and file your taxes. Did you know that there are some people that do not have to file a taxes? If you want to know if you are one of those people that are not required to report your income and file any taxes, come on, let's go. So, contrary to popular belief, there are a lot of loops and swoops, ups and downs, twists and turns as it pertains to taxes. A lot of people think that preparing taxes is just data entry. All you got to do is just type in the information that you receive on your tax returns. But let me just tell you, it is much more to it than that, okay? So there are a lot of people that aren't required to even file taxes. You may not even have to pay taxes. And a lot of times when I tell people this, they look at me like I'm crazy. Let's talk about people or taxpayers that aren't required to file taxes. So number one, if you are a single filer under the age of 65 years old and your income is less than 14,600, you are not required to file taxes, okay? If you are 65 and older and your income is less than 16,550, you are not required to file taxes. Now, there are some additional situations, additional requirements or standards or codes or laws or whatever that may apply. So this is not the all in, all out. But if what I just said applies to you, and you don't have any additional situation or things going on, such as business, investing, things like that, then that goes for you. You may exit the room. If you are married filing joint and both are under 65 and the income is less than 29,200, you're not required to file taxes. If there's one spouse, 65 or older, income less than 30,750. So if your spouse is older than you and the income is less than 30,750, you are not required. You may exit the room. Both 65 or older, income less than 32,300. So you may exit the room. For your dependents, if the standard deduction is greater of 1,300 or earned income plus 450 up to the regular standard deduction of the 14,600, you're not required to file taxes. You may exit the room. There are additional situations that may require you to file taxes, and I will make other videos to address those situations. But just for what I just said, you are not required to actually file taxes. Now, if you are looking